Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the new latest shades I bought from Lisa Eldridge launch, and they are Velvet Cinnabar and Velvet Blush Lightly. I have also two other shades to compare to these ones, and they are Velvet Blush and also Velvet Dragons. So I will show you the shades and I'll compare to this one also. I want to start from Velvet Cinnabar, that is a very peculiar and stunning shade. So it's a very beautiful red, deep red shade. It's deeper than Velvet Dragon. It has these warm undertones. The texture is always spectacular. It's always a pity to destroy this lipstick, but they are so beautiful and I have to try. I'm wearing now Lisa Eldridge foundation in number 2. If you want to see a video about this foundation, I got 2 videos in my YouTube channel. So with the shade from number 1 to 4 and another one with a comparison with shades from 5 to 8. So let's see the color. How pretty. You see? So this is the color on me. It's very elegant and pretty. I love this color so much. I thought it was different in a way. I don't know why. It's really a surprise, the color that Lisa creates, because sometimes, as for Velvet Carnival and also for Rainbow Spill, I bought these lipsticks because of the color, but I didn't expect this shade look beautiful on me, because you see, sometimes I have color that I think can't match these tones. I want to show you the difference with Velvet Dragon. They are really different. You see, this is Velvet Dragon, this is Velvet Cinnabar, and even if they both have yellow in it, so they both have ochre. You can see Dragon is lighter than Velvet Cinnabar. So Velvet Cinnabar is more about deep red, and Velvet Dragon is more a vibrant orangey tone in a way. Now I swatch it and I show you what I mean. This is Velvet Dragon and this is Velvet Cinnabar. You can catch my intention to describe these tones as a burnt red tone. Instead, this is absolutely more orangey red, so it's more vibrant in a way, even if it's a dark tone, so it's not a bright orange red or tomato red. That's what I mean. It's absolutely a muted shade once you apply it, and they are both beautiful. So I show you Velvet Dragon on my lips so you can see the difference. So it's absolutely more yellow based. They are both beautiful. This is more vibrant. So on me, especially that I'm so pale, it's yes, it's a very beautiful shade also. This one. Now I'm wearing something blue, and I love when we have some vermilion shade, some yes, red tones, a little bit warmer. I love with this blue, violet blue, the contrast. I really love these matches. Now I remove the shade, and this blue looks great also with cool tone, so it's time for Velvet Blush Lightly. So let's have a look. This is the shade, so pretty. It is extremely beautiful and I'm always a great fan of this shade. So as the name explains, Velvet Blush Lightly is the light version of Velvet Blush. This is the tone of Velvet Blush and they are both pretty. I think that Velvet Blush is a very great shade, but I noticed on myself, I only talk for myself because I couldn't try this lipstick on other people. I noticed that Velvet Blush is a great shade, but if I intensify the color too much, it could drain me a little bit. So the color itself is magic and I love it to apply just not a veil but just one swipe. I don't want to build it up too much because it could get darker and yes, maybe it's not the effect I want from this color. So I'm very curious to try Velvet Blush Lightly because I think it was designed also for this reason, so to enhance pale skin with these tones. Oh, so pretty. I love it. I'm so happy. This is a great color, and if I build it up, it doesn't go so dark, so the effect I expected from Velvet Blush. So I think that Velvet Blush Lightly is the perfect version of Velvet Blush if you are very pale. And I want to show you the swatches. So this is Velvet Blush Lightly, sorry. So you see the difference is in terms of level, so this is deeper and this is lighter, as the name says itself. They are very beautiful shade. I think you can use it also for create ombre with these two shades. I think you can play with both two shades, maybe to take a little bit of Velvet Blush, so the darkest, and shape your lips a little bit. Just to contour and give it more volume. So thank you for watching. Let me know which shades do you prefer from this range. I think they are all so pretty and so beautiful. I just want to let you know also that new eyeshadows from Lisa Eldridge are coming in November. Liquid eyeshadows, they look so pretty and I can't wait. There are two shades, the grey and the pink one, that look absolutely magic and I will purchase for sure. So let me know your impressions, which lipsticks shades do you prefer if you have purchased some shades from this launch. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me also on Instagram. See you soon, bye!